Understanding, in the same brush, a guide to English idioms. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of idioms, specifically the phrase, in the same brush. Idioms are a key part of mastering English, as they add color and depth to everyday language. So, let's explore what this phrase means and how you can use it in your conversations. In the same brush is an idiom that isn't commonly used in modern English. It seems to be a variation of the more familiar idiom, tarred with the same brush. This phrase means to describe or think of a group of people as all having the same faults or bad qualities, usually unfairly. It originates from the idea of tarring, a process where a substance is applied with a large brush, making it difficult to distinguish individual differences. To better understand tarred with the same brush, let's look at some examples. 1. In a company setting, just because one employee was caught stealing doesn't mean the entire department should be tarred with the same brush. 2. In personal relationships, it's unfair to judge all of her friends based on one person's mistake. They shouldn't all be tarred with the same brush. 3. In society, often, in the media, one politician's scandal leads to the entire government being tarred with the same brush. When using tarred with the same brush, keep these tips in mind. Context is key. Use it when discussing situations where a group is unfairly judged by the actions of a few. Negative connotation. Remember, this idiom generally has a negative connotation, implying unjust or unfair judgment. Be sensitive. Be mindful of the situation and the people involved, as this phrase can be quite powerful in its implication. And that's a wrap on, in the same brush, or more accurately, tarred with the same brush. We hope this video has shed light on this intriguing idiom, helping you understand and use it effectively in your English conversations. Remember, idioms are not just phrases. They're a window into the culture and history of a language. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to add a bit of idiomatic flair to your English. See you in our next video.